How to insert or embed an Outlook mail in Excel. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to embed or insert a email file into the Excel or Microsoft Excel. For this you're going to need the access to Outlook and also a app installed called Microsoft Excel. So if you're going to use the digitalized version of the Microsoft Excel, it is not going to work. I'm going to tell you why. So first, we're going to start by exporting our email as a PDF. How we can do that? We head over Outlook Mailing. We're going to select one of the specific emails, and then we're going to click on Print. Now we are going to save it as a PDF, and we're going to have it just saved. Now what I am going to do next is to head over my Microsoft Excel, open the app. In my case I have only the digitalized version, so we're going to head over the one of the cells and click on insert. When you click on insert, we're going to be on the text box here. Normally in the standard app of Microsoft Excel, it is going to be right there. So you're going to have multiple choices. So for example, here I have a screenshot of an app or of the app of Microsoft Excel. On insert, we are going to find a large variety that you do not have right there. On the text, as you can see here, we have only text box, but here you're going to get objects. So you're going to click on objects, then you're going to create, not new, but create from file, and then you're going to select display as an icon. Click on OK, and you're going to upload your file. Or first it is going to be letting you upload your file, then you're going to select the choice, create from a file, browse it, then click on display as an icon, click OK, and at the final step you're going to find it as an icon here. That was pretty much it for today's video, and this is why I have told you that the numeric or the cloud version of Microsoft Excel is not going to take that. Thank you guys for watching again. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.